I've been doing side hustles for more than 10 years now. For over 10 years now, I've not been without a side hustle. I'm always on one side hustle to the other. So there are different ideas that I have tried, some around craft, some outside of it. So some of these ideas that I'm sharing are things that I have tried before, and I know how these things work. Merry Christmas! Yeah, I'm so excited. I hope you are too. Christmas is in the air. Yeah. This is literally my best season of the year. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Esther. And today I'll be sharing with you some creative ideas you can do as a craft entrepreneur to make money this season. Some of these ideas are things that I've tried myself, so I can speak about them in terms of what the market is like. So I hope that you watch this video to the end so that you can grab one or two ideas that you can quickly do to make money. That is if you have not started already. Yes, so before we go ahead, I would like to appeal to you to please kindly subscribe to my channel. The subscribe link is down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to it. Thank you so much. I also want to appeal that you like this video because I know that you're going to enjoy it, so that YouTube can recommend my video to more people across the globe, because there's enough money to go around. So let's get more people making this money. So side also ideas are some of the things I share on my channel. There's a playlist for it down below, and I recently shared other business ideas and side hustles that everyone can do around this festive season to make money. If you have not watched it, I'll link it up below, so ensure that you watch it. Thank you so much. So around this time of the year, there are some costumes, there are some outfits that are usually in high demand. When we go to the market, people are always asking for it every day. If you ask a supplier or someone selling in the market, they will tell you, oh, people are always asking for this thing every day they need this. So what is that item that you can make? You should guess. Yes, Santa hats. Yes, Santa hats. Santa hats are in various forms. There are the plastic versions. There are some that are made from fabric. The ones that are made from fabric are the ones I want to speak to you about. These are some things that you can make. So if you have a sewing machine, you know how to sew. There's several tutorials online that teaches how to make Santa hats. And if you want me to make a video on how to do this, kindly comment down below, and I'll be sure to make one as well, because I want you guys to make money this season. I don't want you to miss that. And it's very easy to make and very cheap. What I love most about this is that it takes very short time to make. Like in 10 minutes you can make one. So imagine if you want to dedicate like 5 hours in a day to make this. So make this, connect yourself with a seller in the market, ensure that the quality you are making is a marketable quality, that is the inseam are very neat. So connect yourself with a seller in the market and be supplying, and then you make your money this season. After this season, you move on to something else. Yeah, so the next idea I'll be discussing are Santa costumes. So costumes in the sense that the main outfit that Santas wear around this time of the year. So if this is something you know how to make, you can make one, make many, as much as your capacity can accommodate. Make them, and just like we have with Santa hats, plug yourself, connect yourself with a seller online that you can market these items to, and you can make your own. With that, let's go to number 3. Number 3 would be t-shirts. So both personalized and customized t-shirts. I spoke about this in my other video about side hustles to make money this festive season, but because you're a craft entrepreneur, I'm trying to bring your attention to it again. Because around this time of the year, families are having photo shoots, they're taking end of the year pictures, family tree pictures, and all of that. So some around those times they will also be needing customized outfits. In my own case, around this time I make Ankara sweatshirts, and the fact that it is fall season here and the weather is a bit cold, so I make Ankara sweatshirts. I design them with Ankara fabric in any form, and I make to sell. It was something I did last year, and I made good money. So it's something I think you should also look into if you have not considered it at all, to make your own. So another fashion item that goes with outfits is headbands. Like around this time of the year also, people are going out more, people are dressing up more, and you know, to style the hair, people will also need headband. So there are different kinds of statement headbands that are trending these days. I have some video on my channel where I have shared some of them with you. I'll link them up so that you can also watch how to make this headband. And one of the beautiful things about this headband also is that they take less time to make. You can easily make them in like 5-10 minutes to make one. So imagine how many you will make in 5 hours to make your money, and the fabric that you'll be using are like very affordable. So this is something you should consider as well. And in this case, I would recommend that for the headbands you can combine them with something else. Like you can make headbands and scrunchies, make them together and package them. And you can do something different about your headband, probably create a new style that people have not seen about it. And you can plug yourself to events like, if somebody is getting married, you can advertise yourself such that they can add it to their souvenir list. Say for instance, a bride can add it to list of souvenirs for our girls and something like that. So just look at opportunities around you that you can tap into with your products and make your good money. And I'll be talking about Ankara purses. But if you don't like Ankara, you can make use of other neutral fabrics like jean fabric or leather. You get. But in my case, I love Ankara, so I do a lot of Ankara things. I usually make Ankara purses, and I have a video also on how to make a sample Ankara female wallet on my channel. I also link it up below so that you can see it. With an Ankara purse or any other type of purses, people usually use these things as souvenir. So try to learn how to make one if you don't already know how to make one, and if you know how to make one, this is the time to get to work. Make as many units as you can. You can also start by making samples, take good pictures of them and send them to your people within your network to share with people in their own network, so that you can get in touch with people that are having events that would need this for souvenirs, or companies that are open to gift their clients gifts for this year-end celebration. So this is one of the ways to make money this season. Don't sleep on it. So the next thing we're discussing is boxes. Actually, we'll be discussing about boxes, and I will share some pictures for you to see the kinds of boxes I'm talking about. There are some that come with lid, some don't come with lids. They just have covers that you open. Boxes are in high demand around this time because people are gifting more. Companies are gifting their clients, families are gifting each other, so also our friends. So with that, people want a nice and special way to package items for people, not just having bags. Bags are also good, but with boxes there's this special appeal that they give. So you can make boxes, and from my findings, some of the boxes, especially those Ankara customized ones, some of them cost as much as 1,000 naira for a size 8 box in Nigeria. And depending on your environment or what country you are in, you can check how much these items go for, so you know how to cost your own boxes. But really, these are things that you should consider around this time. You can make them with nice wrap papers, you can make them with fabrics, you can make them with plain papers, colorful papers and bright, whatever you want to do. Also, like we have talked about before, make some samples, capture them nicely and advertise them. You can do target advertising on Facebook, Instagram, whatever medium of advertising you want to use. Ensure that you get it in the faces of people, and you can also start from your own network to ensure that people share them to their own network as well. Another creative idea you can make money from this season are throw pillows. Yeah, throw pillows. You can make throw pillow covers in different sizes, in different fabrics for people around the season. Around this time of the year, people are redecorating their homes. People are like, I'm also redecorating using fall colors. So like I myself, I have bought some new pillows and some throw pillow covers. So, and I'm also making some myself. Throw pillows are in high demand around this time because of that reason. People are redecorating. So look for some festive theme, make nice throw pillow covers and plug yourself either to an interior design company, and let them see what you make. Around this time are robes. So there are different kinds of robe. You know, this robe that people wear to sleep, and a lot of bridal girls wear them now as part of their outfits for the day. You know, they wear it in the morning at the hotel or whatever before going to the main event hall. So you can plug into this, and around this time more weddings are happening. You can also make more money, make more robes, more beautiful robes in silk, in Ankara, whatever fabric you want to make. You can make a new design. You can make even from chiffon fabrics. There are some that are made from chiffon that are very flowery. They look very nice in pretty colors. So you can make this and plug yourself to an event planner, like, okay, let your bride know that I do this. Show them samples, nice samples, make them of good quality, take pictures with them, and send these pictures to brides that you know of, or even event planners, because event planners are the ones that will connect you with all these brides to make traveling bags. So because around this festive season people are traveling more than usual, some people have, and by traveling bag I don't mean the traveling boxes. If you can make that, that really makes a lot of sense. But if you can't make that, those, there are some there are some smaller traveling bags that people can easily carry, like these weekender bags. I'll share a picture so you can see what I mean. Those kind of bags are easy to carry, as most people have them as carry on for their flights. They are easy to carry. Some have them as backpack. So if you can make all those kind of bags, make them unique and beautiful. Like I keep saying, in my own case, I do a lot of things with Ankara. So these are some of the things I've done before. I make travel bags with Ankara, especially backpacks. So do yours in a very nice and beautiful way. But most importantly, you need to advertise them for people to see. On my list today is satin bonnet. Satin bonnet. So also, because people are gifting so much more around this time, satin bonnets are good gift ideas for a woman. So if you can make more in beautiful fabrics, you can connect with a gift company to add them to hampers that they are giving to a woman, things that are given to a lady. They can include them inside that. You can also combine it with the robe, so you can also make a matching robe and matching satin bonnets for a bride, for as part of their costumes or whatever. So it's really a good money making idea for this festive season. If you have not considered this, you can go ahead to make some. But like I said, you want to start with your samples and ensure that you send out good samples to people around you so that you can receive more orders for this item. The next item we'll be discussing are carrier bags. Carrier bags, tote bags, grocery bags, and all of that. So the fact that companies are also giving gifts to their clients at this year end, some of them like to use carrier bags, some like to use the paper carrier bags, and some look for unique items like Ankara tote bags, but they are in this carrier bag form. They are well structured and they are more durable. So if you don't know how to make any of these items, just let me know and I will create a video on them, especially tote carrier bags. I'll create a video on them and you can watch them on my channel. For me, I am an advocate of side hustles. I've been doing side hustles for more than 10 years now. For over 10 years now, I've not been without a side hustle. I'm always on one side hustle to the other. So there are different ideas that I have tried, some around crafts, some outside of it. So some of these ideas that I'm sharing are things that I have tried before and I know how these things work. So don't forget to check out my playlist on side hustle so that you can see more side hustle ideas I'll be sharing. Also ensure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my subsequent videos. So the next idea for you to make money as a craft entrepreneur this season is sales of fabric. Like, people want to buy Christmas clothes, people want to sew Christmas clothes, people want to give somebody gifts. They are looking for fabrics to buy, and there are some people that do not have the energy to even go to the market. They prefer somebody around them that is selling and has good quality. Like, okay, do you have this available? They just take that by them rather than going off to the market. So if this is something that you have access to, if you have access to a good supply of fabrics, I would encourage that you have that to what you're doing this season. I've tried that in the past. I used to buy from Cotonou then to sell in Nigeria, and I used to make good money, a lot of money from it. I used to run out of orders that I used to order some more. So if this is something you have not looked into, kindly look into it and make. So these are my tips for now. I hope that you have grabbed one or two ideas that you also can try out to make money this season. This list, however, is not exhaustive. I have only shared this to inspire us so that we don't miss out on money making ideas this season. So I hope that you're truly inspired and that you go ahead to try one or two things. Let me know what you guys think about these ideas in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to respond to them. If you have any questions, also do let me know. And guys, come on, let's be friends. Follow me on Instagram at FFTL Inspired. I respond to all DMs. I respond to all comments. Yes, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Remember that God loves you and I love you too.